Good morning children. Welcome to today's section. Children, in our last section, we were studied about how to start Python. Okay, what are different windows of Python? Python advantages and disadvantages. Then how to write a simple program in Python. That is our first program, Hello World. This everything we covered in our last section. Today, let us learn more about Python. That is Python fundamentals. See children, Python fundamentals are the very important topic. Okay, you can create a good program only when you learn these fundamentals properly. So see, the first one is Python character set. Python character set says which are the characters permitted in Python language. So the permitted language are letters A to Z and small a to Z. Then the digits 0 to 9, then the special symbols space, plus, minus, star, hyphen, okay, the slash, parentheses, braces, square brackets. These are the special symbols allowed in Python. Then the white spaces, that is blank space, enter, tab. Then so many other characters are, that is the characters that are supported by ASCII and Unicode. Okay, ASCII means American Standard Code for Information Interchange. This one is your already studied in your +1. Not +1, in your first module. So these are the Python character set. Once again, letters, digits, special symbols, white spaces and other characters. Okay. Next one is tokens. See children, these tokens are also called lexical units or lexical elements. These are the smallest individual unit in a program is known as tokens. This is the definition for tokens. The smallest individual unit in a program is known as tokens. Then the different types of tokens are keywords, identifiers, literals, operators and punctuators. Once again, keywords, identifiers or name, literals, operators and punctuators. Then let's learn the first one, keywords. These keywords are the reserved verbs and have special meaning for Python interpreter. Okay, every keyword is assigned specific work and it can be used only for that purpose. That means we can't use this keyword for any other purpose. That is, we can't use a keyword as a name of a variable, function, class, etc. So these are the different keyword set used in Python. That is and, del, from, not, while, as, elif, global, or, with, assert, else, if, pass, yield, break. Okay, so how many keywords are given here? Okay, so please study all these one. So this is the first identifier. Then second one, identifiers. Okay, see, first keyword, then identifiers, literals, operators and punctuators. So the first two tokens are keywords, second one is identifiers. See, identifiers are the names given to different parts of program like variables, objects, classes, functions, etc. Okay, identifiers forming rules of Python are, first one is an arbitrary long sequence of letters and digits. Okay, you can use a sequence of letters and digits as an identifier. Second one, in identifier, first character must be a letter or underscore. The next one, uppercase and lowercase letters are different. You can use both uppercase and lowercase, but Python will treat both one as different characters. Then next one, the digits 0 to 9 are allowed except for first character. Okay, digits are allowed, but the first character must be a letter. Then it must not be a keyword. That means you can't use a keyword as an identifier. Then next one, no special characters are allowed other than underscore is allowed. Okay, that is the only permitted special character is underscore. Then the last one, space is not allowed. So these are the different rules to use an identifier in a Python program. Okay, once again, set sequence of letters and digits. The first character must be a letter or underscore. Upper and lower case are different. The digits 0 to 9 are allowed except for first character. Then it must not be a keyword. The only one special character permitted in this identifier is underscore. Then space is not allowed. Okay, so first one keyword, second one identifier. Then these are the different examples for identifier. This one is a valid identifier, this one is invalid. First look at the valid. See grade pay. Only letters, both capital and small letters. Here combination of letters, numbers and underscore. Here letters and numbers. Here all are capital. Here first one is underscore, then small letters. Here underscore, 2 underscore, then letter, set of small letters. These are the valid identifier and these are the invalid identifier. See grade pay. Okay, why it is invalid? That is because of this hyphen. Hyphen is not allowed. See in this example, first one is number, not allowed. Here first one is dollar, not allowed. Here in this example, roll space, space is not allowed. Here one dot is here, so this one is not allowed. And if is a keyword, keyword is not allowed. Okay, so these are the invalid identifiers and these are the valid identifiers. The next one, literals and values. Okay, literals are the data items that have a fixed value. Okay, different kinds of literals are string literal, numeric literals, boolean literals, special literals, that is none. Then literal collections. Once again, string literal, numeric literals, boolean literals, special literals and literal collections. First one, string literals. See children, string is a collection of characters enclosed in a double quote or single quotes. A sequence of letters or a collection of letters is called a string. For example, see here Python. This Python is enclosed in double quotes. See this one also, double quotes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, these are the numbers, but when you enclose these numbers in single quote or double quote, then it will treat as a string. See, this one is not a single word, this one is a sentence. Okay, hello, how are you? Okay, so, but this sentence is given in single quotes, that's why this entire words will be taken as a single string. See here dollar, dollar is a symbol, but when you give this in single quote, then it will be taken as a string. Here the digit 4 is in single quote, so it will be taken as a string. Okay, then the two symbols, that two symbols are given in two double quotes, that's why it will also taken as a string. Then see in Python, both single character or multiple characters enclosed in quote such as double quote or single quote are treated as same. Okay, so when you put this KV in double quotes and when you put this KV in single quote, both one will be same. There is no difference. Okay, Python will take both one as a string. Next one, non-graphic characters. Non-graphic characters means you can see only the action, okay, that can't see. The characters you can see in your screen. Okay, so these are the special characters which can be typed directly from keyboard like backspace, tabs, enter key. When you press this enter key, only the action is there. Okay, so when the characters are typed, they perform some action. These are represented by escape characters. Escape characters are always begin from backslash character. Okay, backslash n, backslash t. Okay, here I am giving some examples. See, these are the list of escape characters. See, when you put a double backslash, it will take a backslash. Then this slash, then a single quote, then a single quote, double quote, then for double quote, then A for ASCII bell, B for backspace, N for no line, R carriage return, T for horizontal tab. Okay. Then UX, XX, okay, hexadecimal value. So these are the different list of escape characters used in Python. Next one, string type in Python. Mainly two types of string, single line string and double line strings or multi-line string. Okay, first one, single line strings. This string we create using single or double quotes are normally single line string. That is, when you put any word or any number in single quotes, that you have to terminate in the same one line. Okay, see here name is equal to KV. Here we have one double quote, but here no double quote. So when you type a name like this, you will get an error message. Okay, the error message is like this: EOL while scanning string literal. EOL means end of line. Okay, do you know the reason? It because of the Python by default creates single line string with both single quotes and it must terminate in the same line by quotes. Okay. See, second one, multi-line string. By typing text in triple quotation marks. Okay, that is, to use a multi-line string, you can type a string in between triple single quotes or in between triple double quotes. See the example, address equal to, can you see the three double quotes? Okay, then 1 bar 7, we have New Delhi, India. Then this three double quotes is closed. Here this open, here this closed. Okay, then print the address. When you print this address, then you will get a message like this. Okay, in different lines. Or you simply type this address, then you will get an output like this. Clear? These are the string type in Python. Okay, single line string and a multi-line string. Single line string means you can type the given string in only one line. That will start and ends in one line. But multi-line strings will start and ends in different lines. Okay, multi-line string should be enclosed between triple single quotes or triple double quotes. Okay, now I believe all this topic is very clear to you. Okay, please study well because this computer fundamentals, the Python fundamentals are the very important chapter. First you study this fundamental properly, then only you can develop or you can write a good Python program. Okay children, see you again with another topic.